Welcome to my CAD Tutor, Revit Architecture Tutorials. In this video, you are going to learn Roof by Extrusion. Go to the relative elevation and select the Roof by Extrusion command from the Architecture tab. Build panel. To select a reference plane, press OK and select the wall as a reference for the roof start point. Select the top level and press OK. Now you can use any draw tool, as I am going to use line command. Select the roof thickness from type selector. Go to edit type to assign the roof material. Click edit and browse the material. Press OK to close the window. Click on the Finish option to complete the process. You can check on 3D view. Select the wall and column to attach to the roof as I am doing on the screen. Select the roof and click on vertical opening from the ribbon. Go to the site view to create the opening. Set the visual style on wireframe mode. Draw the opening area by using a rectangle command, and click on the Finish button to complete the process. You can check in 3D view. Go to East Elevation and set the visual style on wireframe mode. Click on the Roof by Extrusion and press OK. Then select the exterior framing from type selector and draw the line between the open space as I am doing. Go to edit type and change the grid to fixed distance 600 and 800. Select the mullion type 30 mm square. Press OK to close the window and finish the current command. Move the created roof upside. Go to the side view from the project browser and adjust the size as I am doing. Go to 3D view and you can see the result. To open the skyway, go to the East view and rotate the object. Visit 3D view and finally, we have created the roof by extrusion with a skyway. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.